Today we're going to talk about what to do when your title work comes back in a deceased person's name. Hi, my name is Kelly Yount, and I'm an attorney with Capital Title. Thank you for joining us for Coffee with Capital. We hope that you can join us every week to hear about hot topics, legal updates, and things that affect your title business. The question for this week is what to do when your title work comes back with names you don't recognize. First, you go to your sellers for an explanation, only to find out one or more of the parties are deceased. And many times the sellers aren't aware the vesting will show up this way. It really can be a common misconception that when a property owner dies, that things just take care of themselves and title automatically passes to the heirs or devisees. Unfortunately, that is not the case. The ideal situation is to be proactive. There are some things a listing agent can do that might prevent this from popping up days or even weeks after having an executed contract in hand. As a listing agent, it's a good idea to sit with your sellers initially and ask questions. Ask them about any liens that might show up besides just a mortgage. Mechanics lien, tax lien, child support liens, those are all examples. Ask them whose names are on the property and dig a little deeper to verify if the current sellers are indeed the individuals that bought the property, or was this a family home and it was inherited. If this property is an entity name or a trust, these are all good questions to ask, as well as about marital status. In a situation where a will exists, for example, probate is an option. But probate can be a lengthy and sometimes costly process that is sometimes not necessary in order to close and ensure the transaction. You are almost being a detective in a sense, but getting all of these clues ahead of time will make sure your transaction closes in a timely manner. If the estate is small and the heirs are the same as the devisees under the will, then typically all we need are heirship affidavits from the heirs and two disinterested parties. Then this along with a copy of the will and we can proceed. Be aware though, there may be a waiting period from the date of death. There are other examples of situations where probate can be avoided too, and I'm happy to discuss each of those with you in detail. But the important thing for you to know today is there are options for you and your seller. But the sooner Capital Title is aware of the situation, the quicker we can get to work with you finding a solution. We are including a checklist to ensure you're asking all the right questions. You can find the checklist in the description of this video in a PDF format, and as always, we welcome any concerns or questions you may have. You are in experienced hands when you close with Capital. We appreciate you spending your time with us, and we hope you tune in for next time. Thank you.